Today we're going to go over the new controllers on the Laguna laser machines. So we have the left arrow key is going to move the laser head left. Right arrow key is going to move the laser head right. Up arrow key, back. Down arrow key, down. The ZU, you see these Z up, Z down. We're going to go ahead and press that. That will bring the table up. If we go ahead and press it down, it's going to bring the table down. Over here, we have the pulse button right here. If we press that, it's going to pulse the machine, and we use that for mirror alignment. So you'll put a piece of tape over the mirrors and go ahead and press pulse, align it that way. Focus right here, if we press focus, it says confirm to execute searching focus. So you're going to want to make sure you have a piece of material underneath right here. And what you would do is you would press enter at that point, and that would bring the laser head or the laser bed up into the head. It would trigger this pen, and then it would drop to the predetermined setting that is programmed into your machine. It should be 8 millimeters from the tip of the nozzle right here to the top of your material. So that's what the focus does. The frame, let's see if I have a file in here. We'll press file. Looks like we have a little heart. So we'll go ahead and press that. For the frame, what we can do is we could jog around and we can press origin, make that the origin point, and then we can frame it. If we press frame, it's going to show you where it's going to cut. As you can see, it's a really tiny heart. The origin is where we're going to select where we want to start from. So if we want to start right here, we come over here, we press origin, and then we could frame it right there, and it's going to frame it right there. If we wanted to cut up here, we can move it up here, press origin, and then we can frame it. So wherever you select the origin, where the laser head is where, and if you move the laser head wherever you want it to be, and you want that to be where you start to cut, then you're just going to press origin there. Shift, we don't use. Start. If I press start, that's going to start the laser file. Stop, we'll stop the laser file. Menu. So if we come to menu, user para, don't mess with it. Vendor settings, don't mess with it. Origin, you can mess with if you want. Controller plus, we press enter. You can change the language, the IP address, the screen origin. You're always going to want the screen origin to be upright. Otherwise, your images are going to come out reverse. System info, you can see, just tells you basic hours and stuff that the laser has on it. Display mode, you can select whether you want night mode or dark mode. Who cares? Function plus, axis reset, panel lock, manual set, laser set, diagnose. You're not really going to mess with those too much. File, that's where all your files are going to be. So you can scroll through here and select whatever file. If you don't like that file looks horrible, so let's delete it. We'll use the right arrow key to get over to the file, and we'll go ahead and come down here, press delete. Delete successful. So simple as that. Power, that's going to be the power you pulse at. So right now it's at 25. If I hit the arrow key, or right now it's at 30, but if I want it at 25, press 25, scroll down. Right here, make that 25, and then we're going to press enter, and now our power will be saved as 25. Okay. Let's see. Speed, that's going to be your jog speed. It's at 300. Okay, if you wanted to change it to 100, you press 100, you press enter, and now it's going to jog slower. If you want to upload a file, you're going to go to File. You're going to scroll down to View Disk. Press Enter. You're going to click Read U File. Right now I don't have a U disk on, so nothing's going to come in. So once the file comes up, it would pop up in that side. You're going to click Copy to Memory, and the file would then be saved to your laser.